Think ISO certification means hiring a consultant? Think again. You don't need to outsource control to prove your business is ready to be certified. Too many businesses don't start or even give up on getting ISO certified because they think it's too technical, too expensive, or just too hard to manage on their own. But with the right framework and support, you can build and run a system in-house and do it well. ISO isn't about fancy words or thick manuals. It's about proving you know how your business runs and showing you can deliver consistently every time. IntegriSURE helps you by giving you a head start at getting ISO certified. We cut through the noise, no fluff, just clear practical documents and tools that help you reflect how you work to make your ISO certifiable management system work for you. Because real compliance isn't technical, it's consistent. That's why you don't need someone else, like a consultant, developing your system to make it align to ISO 9001, 14001, or 45001. What you need is structure, clarity, and support, with the right level of detail where it matters most. Having a management system that reflects your ways of working can also help your team allocate work, identify improvements in how things get done, and make sure your operations are running as expected. Our essentials and guided subscription plans give you the power to build the system yourself, on your terms. We provide the documents, the key steps, and the support for how to tailor this easy-to-use system to embed in your operations, ready for use now and for ISO certification when you need it. You stay in charge. We just make the path clear for you. And if you need support to implement it, we're here to help as well, so you aren't left to embed it on your own. Kick off with a simple 3-step onboarding and get straight into building your system with over 20 ISO-ready documents and over 40 tools, templates, and forms, all mapped to and aligning with ISO 9001, 45001, and 14001. Upgrade to guided and unlock step-by-step instructions and implementation support that make embedding ISO into your daily operations even easier. No consultants needed. No hidden costs, no wasted time. Start with essentials at $1,250 upfront, or step up to guided at $3,500 upfront, giving you access to clear instructions that simplify implementation. And if you need additional support, our professional and partnered tiers add team training and expert facilitation, so you're enabled every step of the way. Developing your system to achieve ISO certification doesn't need to be outsourced to get it done. Get the tools, templates, and guidance to build your own system, clearly, confidently, and on your terms. Visit www.integrisure.com.au to learn more and start building your system your way today.